Good morning, friends. My name is CH Srinath from Computer Science Engineering. My subject is Engineering Chemistry. Today, topic about study on corrosion test of corrosion-proof steel core of high anti-corrosive conductor. This is a topic, and this introduction is a introduction to corrosion in conductors. Corrosion poses a significant challenge to the longevity and performance of electrical conductors. High anti-corrosive conductors are designed to mitigate these effects through specialized materials and coatings. This study focused on evaluating the corrosion resistance of steel cores used in these advanced conductors. This is the introduction to corrosion in conductors. This is the introduction. And next, objectives of the study. Objectives of the study. The primary goal is to assess the corrosion resistance of corrosion-proof steel cores. The study aims to identify the most effective protective measures for enhancing conductor lifespan. Results will contribute to the development of better materials for future conductor designs. And in objectives of the study is a experiment versus observational study. This picture have experiment and observational study. Difference between the experiment and observational study. What is that experiment means? An experiment is a method of scientific inquiry where the researcher systematically manipulates one or more variables to determine their effect on a specific outcome. This approach allows for controlled conditions which can establish causality between the manipulated variables and the observed results. And the observational study. And second one, observational study. An observational study involves the investigator observing and collecting data without directly manipulating any variables. The researcher records occurrences naturally happening in the environment, providing insight into correctionless between the variables, but it does not establish causation like an experiment. This is experiment versus observational study. And next is a background on corrosion mechanism. Corrosion is an electrochemical process that leads to material degradation over time. Corrosion is a electrochemical process. Environmental factors such as humidity, temperature, and salinity influence corrosion rates. Understanding these mechanisms is crucial for developing effective corrosion-proof materials. And this picture have a environmental degradation. First type of environmental degradation. Second, causes of environmental degradation. Third, effects of environmental degradation. This is a background on corrosion mechanisms. And next is a materials and methods. What is materials and method means? The study utilized various steel core samples, each treated with different anti-corrosive coatings. Standardized corrosion testing methods such as salt spray and immersion tests were employed. Data was collected over specified time intervals to monitor corrosion progression, and standardized corrosion testing methods such as salt spray and immersion tests were employed. This is the materials and methods. And testing conditions, controlled environmental conditions were maintained to ensure consistent results. Samples were subjected to alternating cycles of wet and dry conditions to simulate real-world environments. Temperatures and humidity levels were recorded throughout the testing process to ensure occurrence. And what is it? Testing conditions means control the environmental conditions, and the sample were subjected to alternating cycles. And next is a temperature and humidity levels were recorded throughout the testing process to ensure occurrence. This is the testing conditions. And next is the results overview. This is a rusted iron. This is a corrosion resistant stainless steel. Okay. And preliminary findings indicate varying levels of corrosion resistance among different steel core samples. Some coating demonstrated significant protection while others showed rapid degradation. Detailed assessments were conducted to quantify the extent of corrosion on each sample, and this is a corrosion resistant stainless steel. Okay, and this topic about the corrosion stainless steel. Some coatings demonstrated significant protection while others showed rapid degradation. Detailed assessments were conducted to quantify the extent of corrosion on each sample. This is a result of overview. And next is the analysis of corrosion resistance. The effectiveness of each anti-corrosive treatment was statistically analyzed. Key parameters such as weight loss and surface degradation were measured to draw conclusions. The results were compared against industry standards for corrosion resistance in conductors. This is the analysis of the corrosion resistance. What it means effective of the each anti-corrosive treatment, and next key parameters such as weight loss and surface degradation, and the next is the results were compared against industry standards. This is the analysis of corrosion resistance. And next, discussion and diffusion of findings. The study highlighted the importance of selecting appropriate coatings for specific environments. It was found that some coatings could significantly extend the service life of steel cores. Future research may focus on optimizing these coatings for even better performance. This is a discussion of findings. And next is the im- implications for industry. Implications for industry. The findings have potential implications for the design and manufacturing of electrical conductors. Improved corrosion resistance can lead to reduced maintenance costs of increased reliability. The study's results can inform best practices for material selections in conductors applications. Next is a conclusion and future work. This study underscores the critical need for ongoing research into corrosion-resistant materials. Future work will explore additional coatings and treatment methods to enhance performance. Continued collaboration, continued collaboration between industry and academia will drive advancements in conductor technology. This is conclusion and future work. Okay. Next, thank you, friends. This is my topic about corrosion.